Maya was in Bristol yesterday and she needed to come back on the train. I think she went to Bath on the way through and did some swimming, and also YouTube offered me some free donuts, so she went to pick those up. Let's do a quick. Today's like a prep day before I go away tomorrow. I needed to just get like all my clothes washed, get all my gear sorted out, find everything, charge everything. That's basically what today is about. There was a period of time when I was a lot younger and we would do this trip to Wales with my friends every year. We'd do like canoeing, loads of hiking, loads of getting drunk. I haven't been for about 7 years. The hotel kind of got closed down and then we just never got back into the rhythm of going. But I'm going to take Maya this year, just the two of us, just because it's been a little while and I just fancy like having a look around the place again. You know, I really can't be trusted with a label maker. I've just started labeling absolutely everything. This is my computer. I even labeled my battery and memory card storage case. My caddy, Smith-O-Matic. I think it's kind of important to put your name on stuff, especially if you're going away. I use the Smith-O-Matic for my labels, because if I put my first name, well, my first name is so common, it feels almost completely pointless to put it on anything. Is it filming me?
Yeah, but stop bleeding.
No, I've got an ingrown hair and I pulled it, and now it's bleeding.
Well, stop now.
Is it? All right. I got a free donut from YouTube. And Krispy Kreme, I suppose. Thank you. I don't know what all the fuss is about. Hey, we could tidy all this mess up.
That's your mess.
Is it?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
What about these messy flowers?
Okay, sorry.
What about your pyjamas or your plate?
Your plate, your pajamas.
It is all my mess. We're taking you to Grandma's house, right? Your grandma's.
Yeah.
Okay. Is this so you can get out of tidying the office?
It's not my mess.
It is your mess.
It's not.
It's your mess.
If you look at my table, it's very clean.
It's your mess.
I haven't been in there for like 5 days.
Alright, it's my mess. Did you notice in the office I've labelled loads of stuff?
Yeah. Your computer.
Yeah.
I don't
I went a bit label maker mad again. I love label makers. I love.
I still have it on my
labels.
phone.
I've labelled everything. Maya.
Fields.
It's corn. Maya and I are going away for a few days, so I just want to make sure that the place was kind of squared up and looking good. And I've got loads of editing to do, tons, to make sure I'm on track over the weekend. What do you think? I had to pick up this little adapter for my GoPro action mounts, and this is my water sports helmet. So this is kind of dusty inside. Ew, ew, ew. Oh, it still fits. That's good news. I was worried my head had swollen. Hair? Look at that. Don't I look like a cyborg? I'm very excited. I think I need to like dunk this in a lake or something before I wear it because it's so gross. All workshop dust. It's mostly on the inside. Alright, the place is tidy. Maya's ready to be picked up now, so let's go back and get her again. Maya's been such a nerd about the canoe, and she's worried she's going to like die of starvation on an 8-hour canoe ride, so she's trying to figure out sandwiches and stuff.
Prepared with my snack.
I went for many years in a row, and I don't think we even contemplated the food or the drinks for the trip. I don't think we even packed water. We just get in the canoes and we canoe for 8 hours. And then we don't die and it's fine. And we just have something to eat afterwards.
I need my water, my snacks, my sun cream, my sun hat, my knitting.
She's going to have a suitcase on her canoe. Look at Maya's desk. What are you saying?
So pretty.
Look at it. Is that girly? It's quite girly looking.
Nice.
It's quite a nice corner of the room.
Maybe I'll always get flowers.
I always think the workshop and the office always look good visually on camera because they're so cluttered. I think clutter looks good on camera. Have that feng shui, people.
Put it in there.
But wow.
That in?
Oh, this and this.
Come on, Josh.
Put that in there.
Yes.
Does this
Not
goes
that.
in?
Like, less than that.
That goes in there.
Yeah, less than that.
How do you know?
Because, yeah.
How much?
You being dumb?
I'm just being silly for the camera.
Okay. Good job.
Then close this.
Yes.
On.
Yes.
How do I make it go? Are we playing a song? I think I just activated a keyboard. I dropped Maya off at home and came back to the office. I wanted to do an edit and try and get to sleep at a sensible time so I can be up ready for tomorrow. Then just going home and going to bed. So I guess that's the end of today's video. You know, every single night I pour myself a glass of water to have for bed. I never ever drink it. Every morning I tip a whole glass away, every single day. I don't know why, I just keep on doing it.